Hey, it's been a while. Just back with a little update. Haven't been working on much. Got a new truck, but I didn't get rid of the old one. So there'll still be project videos for the Dakota once I recover. So we had an issue with this truck, and it seems to be a common issue. I was driving it one day, and all of a sudden the coolant temperature gauge went down to like 0 or 160, I guess you'd say. I mean, it was sitting just like this with the truck running. And then we had the engine hot AC off over here in the message board. And, I pulled over and checked it. The fans were running high. The engine didn't smell like it was overheating. It didn't feel like it was necessarily overheating either. So I wasn't sure what was going on. So was checking it out. Some people said it could be your coolant temperature sensor, which is down here, or replace the thermostat. So I diagnosed mine by I grabbed this top radiator hose. It was hot. Grabbed this bottom one. It was cold. So obviously it's not circulating. But the water pump's fine. It's not whining. It's not leaking. So I believed it was a stuck thermostat. Just these two bolts right here. This is a V6 4.3. These two bolts right here, lift that right up. Of course, when you do that, you're going to have coolant come out everywhere. So you're going to need to add a little more, which I'm going to need to. I still haven't done that. Take those two bolts off, pop that out. Make sure you get the gasket or the thermostat with the seal around it. It was like $16. It was $17.45 with tax at AutoZone for the 75K Failsafe. Thermostat opens at $195, and it comes with the gasket on it. And so you stick that in there and put that back on. Now, to clear the codes, because you can start your truck up right after that, and it's still going to say the same thing. Engine hot, coolant fans will be on high, and your temp gauge won't be working. Just connect your battery. Just take the negative cable off. I'm pretty sure most of yours would actually be over here. But yeah, take your negative cable off. Let it sit, I don't know, 30 seconds, maybe. I probably let mine sit for a minute. I was cleaning up my tools, put my tools back, came back, hooked the battery back up, went and started the engine. That message completely disappeared. The coolant fans are running normal. Temp gauge started working immediately. AC was working as well. It was $17.45 fix. I would definitely start there before replacing the coolant sensor. But like I said, just diagnose it by checking to make sure it has circulation. If it's not circulating, one hose is hot, one is cold. Make sure it's not your water pump, which you can visually and audibly. I can't say that word right now. I'm too tired. But you can listen to the noise it's making. Make sure it's not whining or anything, not leaking anything. It's probably working just fine. It's going to be the thermostat. It was late at night, and I had to do it real quick. It was like a 10-minute repair. Literally took about 10 minutes. And I had to get it done for work, so I didn't have time to make a video then. I'm sorry. I wish I could have, and it's been a while. But yeah, so this is the new truck. And another thing that we got going on is the transmission fluid is a little too high, and it doesn't have a drain plug. But I'll show you in the next quick little short how to handle that.